Well, today's the first day of the creative part of the retreat. So the goal is to take 2 rooms in this house and set up 2 little music production stations and have 2 sessions going at the same time and swap people in and out across the day. We're going to set up these rooms and see what it looks like. After much deliberation, we decided to utilize this main room here as this sort of, I don't know, communal session room. We thought if we would set up the desk right here in front of the PA, we'd be able to plug in both here out of the normal speakers and the PA and be able to swap back and forth, because it's kind of nice to hear things coming out of a PA with a good sub than just smaller speakers. So this is kind of cool room. Big fan of this one. And then in here, in the game room here, we've got the other desk set up. We got Gabe's rig here.
Yes, sir. How about you, Mark?
So we're set up, looking good, and we're gonna rip some sessions.